Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy, Jaquan Montreal. If you're here watching this video right now, it's because you want to learn how to get started and learn how to make money online. Now, the only thing that I want to tell you guys that this program that I'm about to explain to you, this pays 100% instant commissions instantly directly to your Cash App, PayPal, Stripe, Zelle, or much more. Okay? Now, me and my team and we've been closing sales each and every day, and we would like to bring you in to our team, and so we can help you get more sales and close your sales for you. And we'll also run some free traffic for you as well. But I do have bonuses as well if you want to join. And we do have a new elite level that's already been out since October 15th of last year. This is 2023. Happy New Year's to everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. If you're watching this from anywhere in the world, please stay tuned because this is a program that I'm going to tell you about. Now, if you never heard a program called List Infinity, List Infinity has been around over 1 year and it's been phenomenal. Like, I closed my sales when I first joined. I had one of my team members close my sales for me, but because I preferred to be at the bonus level that I chose from, and it made me good profit that I made so far. But List Infinity is an email marketing system that allow you to build your email list and generate 100% commissions on autopilot. So with that being said, if you are somebody that's looking for a way to make $300 per day just by building your email list, and we'll close your sales for you, and we'll make sure that you don't have to do no cold calling, you don't have to do no inventory, you don't have to do no drop shipping or anything like that, none of that. This is basically called affiliate marketing. That's right, affiliate marketing, that you as an affiliate to promote resale rights products that you don't own yourself. So basically, when you pay one-time fee, no monthly fees after you pay your first time, okay? So just remember, this program is definitely will help you change your life, and you would definitely want to quit your 9 to 5 job. So if you are somebody that's looking for a way to make $300 per day and wanted to change your life, and you wanted to escape your 9 to 5 job and you want to fire your boss, hey, if I was you, I would do that as soon as possible, right after you've seen this video. And then what I want you to do, if you want to move forward, please click the blue button down below, so you'll be redirected to watch the presentation video that's going to introduce you about what this List Infinity system is going to tell you about how the system works. And also, when you get my bonuses, I would definitely help you run some free traffic to your affiliate link, your resale rights affiliate link. Okay? So that means once you become a member with List Infinity and you want to take action and you looking to make $300, then this is the right program for you. For those who wants to make money online, never made money online, but wants to make money online for the very first time in their life, then you need to click the blue button down below, put your best email, click the blue button, and it redirect you to the sales page. And I want you to watch the video, okay? The video sales letter, I want you to watch it because this can definitely change your life as well. And I do have bonuses for people who are serious, who is willing to take action today. So without that being said, guys, I want to thank you guys for dropping by, clicking the play button, and I'll definitely see you guys on the other side. All right? So without that being said, guys, let's get this money. All right? See you later. My name is Jaquan Montreal, and happy New Year's 2023. See you guys on the side. Peace out, y'all.